So today in this video I have an amazing air fryer which is from Geek, and its model name is AiroCook model. So this air fryer is a all-in-one air fryer. It comes with a convention oven, OTG, toaster, air fryer. These all combined into one. It's a all-in-one Geek AiroCook air fryer. This air fryer comes with 8 awesome accessories. So now let's start the unboxing of this air fryer. An air fryer is used to cook and fry food items using less oil. This air fryer also comes with its recipe book also. This air fryer comes with 25-liter capacity. So this air fryer is available on Amazon and it's priced around 13,500 rupees. This air fryer comes with 8 awesome accessories: crumb tray, baking tray, rotating basket, oven rack, air fryer basket, glove, fetch tool, rotisserie rod. So these are all the accessories which come in the box. So as you can see in the first, it's a recipe book. It comes with a user manual and a recipe book. So in this recipe book we'll have a variety of dishes, and it has a full instruction on how to cook, and it also has ingredients of the dishes, and yeah, it's very useful for beginners. So it also comes with a glove. Using that you can take hot trays out. So in this air fryer we cooked paneer tikka. and this recipe is also mentioned in the recipe book. So by seeing that, we have created this paneer tikka, and yeah, it turned out very well. Its taste is also very nice. It's delicious. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to buy this, then the link is in the description below. Okay, bye.